Discuss a question. Here's a question for you. Divide fx by gx if fx equals to x cube plus 5x square plus x minus 10 and gx is x plus 2. So you can see here, this is the dividend and the degree of dividend here is 3, and this x plus 2 is a divisor, its degree is 1. So now we're gonna divide this expression with x plus 2. So before dividing this, let us have some steps over here. So let us write some steps to remember this, to make an idea, to build an idea to divide in a polynomial. So step 1, the first of all, the expression should be in standard form. Here the expression is already in standard form, that is the degree are in descending order, 3 2 1 0. Constant term has degree 0. Now in second step, what we have to do is that just note the first term of dividend. Here the first term of dividend is x to the power 3 and the first term of divisor is x. So we divide the first term of dividend with the first term of divisor. What do we get? See, the base is same. Use this concept. First one, so x to the power 3 minus, here the degree of x is 1. So what do we get? X square. So write this x square over here. It's x square. Now in third step, what you have to do is that multiply this divisor with x square. So x square times x plus 2. What does it gives? It gives x to the power 3. Whenever we multiply the terms, having like terms or the base are same, then we just add the power. So 2 plus 1 is 3, x to the power 3 plus 2x square. You get it, isn't it? So write this x cube plus 2x square over here, x cube plus 2x square. Now in fourth number, you just change the sign, sign, sign. Okay, so here what you have to do is that you have to change the sign of the terms. So whenever we change the sign, we get like this. So you just cut it out. Now you just see this sign. Okay, don't use this positive sign because we have changed the sign of 2x square to negative. All right, so we have to see this sign. So 5 and 2x square, they are the 5x square and 2x square, they are the like terms, and whenever 5 is subtracted, 5 and 2 are subtracted, the result is 3x square. 3x square, since 5 is greater, it has got positive sign, so it's positive 3x square. All right, so this x comes down, so we have to write plus x. Now here you repeat the same process. Okay, no need to write, but you just try to understand. Here what you have to do, now we have to take this term 3x square. Now 3x square divided by x, 3x square divided by x gives, so its power is 1, so 3x we get, is it? So it's positive 3x, so right here positive 3x. Now multiply this both term in divisor with this 3x, positive 3x. So what do we get? X multiplied by plus 3x equals to 3x square. This positive sign and positive sign gives positive sign, so 2 times 3x is 6x. Now again what we have to do, we have to change the sign. See, we have to change the sign, so this is cancel out. Always the first term must cancel out in division. Keep this thing in your mind. So now what happens here, you have to see this sign, this change sign, 6x and x, they are like term, and whenever we different sign are subtracted, and 6 minus 6 plus 1 means it's 5x. 6 is the greater number which has got negative sign in front of it, so it's minus 5x. Now the turn of minus 10 to come down, it's minus 10 over here. Still we can divide this because the degree of dividend here is also greater, so we divide it. Here the degree of dividend is equal to that of degree of divisor. In this case also we can divide. So what we have to do is we have to follow the same step here. So second step says, let us divide this minus 5x with the first term of divisor. Here it's x, so x and x cancel out, it's minus 5 is left here, so write minus 5 over here. So x plus 2 multiplied by minus 5, so minus 5 times x plus 2, what does it gives? It gives minus 5x minus, whenever we open the bracket with minus, it gets negative. 5 to the 10. Write this 5 minus 5x minus 10 over here. So you have to change the sign, don't forget to change the sign. It's positive sign, we have changed the sign, so this is cancel out and this also cancel out, and the remainder is 0. So finally we got quotient is x square plus 3x minus 5, whereas the remainder is 0. In this way we can do division. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.